According to yoga, our body is made up of 5 elements. These are the basic constituents: earth, water, fire, and it. Excessive gas in our digestive system is one of the most common issues among people in today's time. Excessive gas can cause bloating, and bloating is when your abdomen feels very tight and swollen. This occurs mainly because of the accumulation of gas in your abdomen. Gas formation is a natural phenomenon. If it is trapped inside for long, then it can really cause bloating, which could lead to 1. Frequent burping, flatulence, pain in the abdomen. Abdominal gurgles. Now, let's understand today some easy techniques to relieve gas and bloating. 1. Walking. When you feel like bloated, then quickly go for a walk. Walking is the best exercise to release the trapped gas in your abdomen. Walk briskly, and with every 10 steps, try to put your abdomen in and out thrice. Repeat every 10 seconds. Abdominal movements can give space for the trapped gas to make its way out. Walking is the best exercise that needs no trainer to teach us. 2. Asana, called as this is known to release the intestinal trap gas. Instantly lie on the mat. Supine, slowly inhaling continuously in 3 seconds. Raise both the hands up and exhaling in 3 seconds. Raise both the legs up perpendicular to the floor. Stay there for 6 seconds, holding your breath, then slowly inhaling in 3 seconds. Bring your legs down and relax. Understand, if you have backache problem, then raise one legs. Don't raise both the legs together. The compression of abdomen in this pose effectively releases the gas and gives a relief from bloating. 3. Lemon juice. Lemons are known to have multiple medicinal benefits. One such benefit is its effectiveness in treating gastric issues. Lemon promotes alkaline pH in your body, and thereby reducing acidity and formation of gas. It also stimulates healthy digestion and quick removal of waste. As the waste gets removed on time, there is no chance for the gases to stay trapped. Lemon juice helps to loosen the toxin floating around in your gastrointestinal tract, relieves the painful symptoms that accompany indigestion, and reduces the risk of burping and bloating, resulting from excess gas production in your body. This is one drink you can have every day to stay away from bloating and other digestive issues. 4. And Hassan, called Usk. Ban means air, and Mukhtar means release. The name of this on by itself means gas-releasing posture, and you can feel the gas releasing from your body while performing this posture. A very effective arson for the problems related to gas and bloating. Lie on your mat. Supine, inhale deeply, and then exhaling. Bend both the legs to your chest. Hold your legs close to your chest and stay there for a few seconds. As for your comfort, slowly release your posture. An excellent arson to release the trapped gas inside your body. 5. Makara. This is a relaxing posture, which can help in release of gas. Quickly understand one thing: when person is under tension, gases are going to be more, and so learn to relax. So do this posture nicely. Lie on your abdomen, head resting on your hands and feet comfortably apart. So that you feel pressure on your stomach, you can feel the abdomen compressing the ground. This nice compression to your abdomen releases the gases immediately and makes you feel less bloated. If you feel bloated very often, just do these techniques shown and relieve yourself from all kinds of gastric disorders. A healthy digestive system means a healthy you. Foods can give you heaven on earth feeling, but only proper gut health can help you relish your food, be healthy, and be refreshed.